Hello, and welcome to Mentority, your go-to channel for all things education and professional development. I'm Vinay, and today, we've got an exciting video lined up for you. Whether you're a student looking to boost your knowledge, or an employee eager to enhance your skills, you're in the right place. We're about to dive into the top 7 best online, free MOOC courses that can help you level up your expertise and experience. So, grab your notepads and get ready to discover some fantastic learning opportunities. Let's jump right in. What are MOOC courses? Before we jump in, to learn about the best online free MOOC courses, it's mandatory to learn what are MOOC courses and how they are beneficial over other courses. MOOC, which stands for Massive Open Online Course, is an innovative approach to online education that has gained immense popularity in recent years. MOOCs are designed to make high-quality education accessible to a global audience, breaking down traditional barriers of time, location, and cost. Here's a detailed overview of MOOC courses. First feature, massive. MOOCs are called massive because they can enroll a vast number of participants simultaneously. Some MOOCs have attracted tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands, of learners from all around the world. This scalability is made possible by online platforms and technology. Second feature, open. MOOCs are open to anyone with an internet connection. There are typically no prerequisites or admission requirements, making education accessible to a diverse and global audience. This openness promotes inclusivity and diversity. Third feature, online. MOOCs are entirely online, and they are hosted on dedicated platforms or learning management systems. Learners access course materials, lectures, quizzes, and assignments through web browsers or mobile apps. This format allows students to learn at their own pace and from anywhere in the world. Fourth feature, course structure. MOOCs are structured like traditional courses and usually consist of video lectures, readings, quizzes, assignments, discussion forums, and sometimes peer assessments. They can vary in duration, from a few weeks to several months, depending on the content and objectives of the course. Fifth feature, diverse subjects. MOOCs cover a wide range of subjects, including mathematics, science, humanities, social sciences, business, computer science, and more. There are MOOCs for both introductory and advanced topics, making them suitable for learners at different levels. Sixth feature, self-paced learning. One of the key advantages of MOOCs is that they allow learners to progress at their own pace. While there are usually set deadlines for assignments and assessments, students can choose when and where to study, making it convenient for those with busy schedules. Best feature, free and paid options. MOOCs typically offer free access to course materials, but some platforms may charge a fee for a verified certificate or additional features. The cost of certificates varies, and financial aid is often available to those who cannot afford them. Top 7 best online free MOOC courses. Now that we know the features of MOOC courses, let's get acquainted to the best online free MOOC courses. First, Learning How to Learn by Barbara Oakley, available on Coursera. This course is a popular course that teaches you how to learn more effectively, using research-based techniques. You'll learn about the science of learning, how to overcome common learning obstacles, and how to develop good study habits. Second, An Introduction to Interactive Programming in Python, Part 1, by Rice University, available on Coursera. This course is a beginner-friendly course that teaches you the basics of programming in Python. You'll learn about variables, data types, functions, loops, and conditional statements. You'll also learn how to create your own interactive programs. Third, Machine Learning by Andrew, Stanford University, is available on Coursera and YouTube. This course is a comprehensive course that covers the fundamentals of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. You'll learn how to train and evaluate machine learning models, and you'll also learn about the applications of machine learning in the real world. Fourth, The Science of WellBeing by Laurie Santos, by Yale University, available on Coursera. This course is a science-based course that teaches you the keys to happiness and fulfillment. You'll learn about the common misconceptions about happiness, and you'll also learn about the research-backed strategies for improving your well-being. 5th, Financial Markets by Robert Shiller, by Yale University, available on Coursera and YouTube. This course is a comprehensive course that teaches you about the financial markets, including stocks, bonds, and derivatives. You'll learn about the different types of financial assets, how to invest in them, and how to manage your risk. 6th course, Writing in the Sciences by Scott Freeman, by Stanford University, available on Coursera. This course teaches you how to write clear, concise, and effective scientific papers. You'll learn about the structure of a scientific paper, how to write clear and concise prose, and how to cite your sources properly. Final course, Introduction to Statistics by Susan Holmes, by Stanford University, available on Stanford University website. This course teaches you the basics of statistics, including probability distributions, hypothesis testing, and correlation analysis. You'll learn how to use statistical methods to analyze data and make inferences about the world around you. And there you have it, folks, our top 7 picks for the best online free MOOC courses that can supercharge your learning journey. Remember, education is the key to personal and professional growth, and these courses are just a click away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and bell icon. Share it with your friends, and subscribe to MentorD for more insightful content.